Teflon, Zinc Fend, Chronixx, Spanish town me born and grow. Well, heap a bad man me know. One thing they all have in common. The whole of them poor. Me tell you this. You know fi bad and hungry. You know fi bad and hungry. Anything bad fi that way. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, me woulda sell my gun. And buy a old Corolla. Taxi me run and buy me daughter stroller. Son a baller but him no score no goal. Call the boots for him have no insola. Me want show him say that the boss. Bring him go the shoe shop, pick up anyone you want. New shoes, new shirt, new shots. Can't bust gun and me pick them a ball. Oh, me no fi bad and hungry. Oh, you fi bad and hungry. Anything bad fi that way. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. I were you. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun and buy a burning machine. Like every Chronixx CD. Dread and terrible that would have full up the streets. And when I watch no face car food I fi eat. Granny want bed and she want new teeth. But the teeth are for which she needs somewhere for sleep. Say she see a ceiling on TV. That mattress that she need with some brand new sheet. Wadada. Oh you feel bad and hungry. You know feel bad and hungry. Anything bad for that way. If I were you I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. Come on, I were you. Tell the rich man a foreign and the politician. Get the youths don't need no more guns and no more ammunition. We need a change in the tradition. We need some other things like computer, homework center, MacBook, hard drive and projector, dumper truck, lawnmower and tractor, cement, white mall and lumber, barilla clock, school bag and ruler, hardcover book for carry go to school, buy guitar, keyboard and flute, build up a studio with Pro Tools. That one you feel all of the taxi driver them, you know, real hard working people where the real work.
Go click clack, blow your bed. Government fingers and TikTok posing it. And while they're working on the X's and O's, I'm living eye and eye like a Mr. Kamosi. No surprise when they send infos to me. Opposite are when plain clothes approaching me. Follow the rules is what they propose to me. Selling their souls for what is owed, you see. Nothing is owed, nothing is promised. Never know the government woulda run up in a them garrison. Without no sorry, without excuse. Soldier money in a them lorry, everybody gets abused. And everybody have them views now. The media is owned, so know where you get your news from. And the blood up on them shoes now. When them walk in the trace, look them hard in them face and say, Kingston, be warrior. Can't quantify. Ray and couldn't sanctify. Say enough of them sent to die. So the city I intensify. Say the ghetto them a gentrify. Well nobody no identify. Nobody's unidentified and just a lie there. Then where the gun there? Dead pan Saturday, buried Sunday. Like Solomon a gun there. Like I know sons of Solomon them have done there. Leonard how will a pinnacle and them land there. Subdivision them deal it under hand there. So learn it cause them come back with them plan there. So tell me how far do you wanna go now? Hey, cause them we rat-a-ta-ta-ta-ta when you pop out, pow, wow, wow, wow. Kingston, be warrior. Kingston, free up your mind.
street smart. Now sell out, you know we got. Beat the system and breeze, man. For every ghetto youths in the streets, I want to see lion paw. Out there, out there. Out there, out there, out there, lion paw. Out there, out there. The youths them in the streets, they move sharp just like iron claw. For the youths of De La Vega, we pre good behavior and I hold it down in the town. For the youth them up a Rockfort, we solid like a rock stone, stand firm like roots in the ground. For the youth them down a standpipe in the streets like a stoplight, non stop till food in the zone. For the one them round a TG, juggle CD, DVD. For the ones when loud bounce down a town, when you say Chronixx in the area. Get up, stand up and jump, get on youth, don't have no fear, cause I don't make we overcome. Tell the get on youth, beware, can't have sell out because them dumb. Select a beg you wheel it again. For the youth them we wise and street smart. Now sell out you know we got. Beat the system and breeze, man. For every ghetto youth in the streets, I want to see lion paw. Out there, out there, out there, out there, out there, lion paw. Out there, out there. For the youth them in the streets, they move sharp just like iron claw. Salute to all the fathers we stay home with them daughters and sons and make sure say the homework well done. Salute to all the farmers where you plant up marijuana for the ones them on the corner in the boiling sun. We wrap it in the 50s and 100s cause youths down 100 them don't have a nice income. For the real area leaders who really a lead, give the youths them book for read and make sure say them find wisdom. We know Babylon system ain't perfect. Not know where them try don't work yet. Teachers, soldiers and nurses, tell the ministers and them Chronixx in the area. Them better run up and down, and if the teachers don't get no raise, then the fire off he get burnt. Don't for me get the highest wages, who get the minimum? Look deeply into that. The youth them fi wise and street smart. We not sell out, we know we can. Beat the system and breeze, man. Every ghetto youth in the streets, lion boy. Sell out and now we can. Beat the system and breeze, man. Every ghetto youth in the streets, lion paw, lion paw. Yeah, no. Respect all to every youth in the streets, man.
Check the message. You better change up the structure. We on the way to destruction. So change up the structure, because we can't take destruction. So take control of them. Tell police officers and soldier men, say we want track with streets and road again. Hold we head high and proud again. Then and only then take control of them. Tell police officers and soldier men, say we want track with streets and road again. Hold we head high and proud again. Then and only then. Cause independence no mean on the grill party scene or colonial regime. Yeah, we know all them schemes. Now show no meaning, no straight them just lean in. Them fight out the green and cigarette them come in. But Jamaica assets are the people. I beg you start treat them good, stop all them out all them vehicle. Them set up public housing fee and close them. Imprison them by the thousands, so they control of them. Tell police officers and soldier men, say we want lock the streets and road again. People we head high and proud again. Then and only then take control of them. Tell police officers and soldier men, say we want track with streets and road again. Hold we head high and proud again. Then and only then. So them give we flag, them give we anthem. Not even give we half away, we need to execute them, plan them. So we still dependent on them. Them just a wait to whip to come back and long out we empty hand them. You talk the truth and you get condemned. Walter Rodney speak a bit, we own a government, go ban him. Them want to block we overstanding while we do the wrong thing. That's why you hear me song sing. Take control of them. Tell police officers and soldier men, say we want walk with streets and road again. Hold we head high and proud again. Then and only then take control of them. Tell police officers and soldier men, say we want track with streets and road again. Hold we head high and proud again. Then and only then. So it takes some time to analyze. So we living in a paradise, but it full of parasites. Today them say you have your rights, them switch it up again and it gone before tomorrow night. But understand our fight, and truth will overpower might. And the youth them have them own apply. So we pray in the day where we see the way where we could have said take control of them. Tell police officers and soldier men, say we want drive the streets and road again. Hold we head high and proud again. Then and only then take control of them. Tell police officers and
sure. Inna your face them a smile up, behind your back of money them a pile up. Try to start your business and them quick for spoil up. Hey, well done, Mr. Politician man. You done a wonderful job at tear down with country demolition man. Sibbly bang, well done, Mr. Politician man. You done such a great job selling out with country with your business plan. Well, you forget a round of applause for all the work you're doing. Decisions where you make will left the country in a ruins, yo. Strictly personal gain you're pursuing, so the tax rate higher than the planes where you're fluing. We gonna make you deal with the IMF, now we on a backside, none of sugar cane left. The hotels and the beaches, the Spanish them go screeching in. I know how you do it, but all my office say is well done, Mr. Politician man. I must congratulate you. You done a wonderful job at tear down with country demolition man. Skibbly bang, well done, Mr. Politician man. You done such a great job selling out with country with your business plan. What kind of plan? Which is to keep poverty and unemployment on the rise. Corruption and not to mention the lies. Election and when the tension arrives, so you buy with Kentucky, not to mention the fries. Anything to secure your vote, and then you rob the people to secure your vote. You go Thailand where the Chinese own. No, Jamaica is a Chinese loan. But tell you well done, Mr. Politician man. You done a wonderful job at tear down with country demolition man. Sibbly bang, well done, Miss Politician lady. You done such a great job selling out with country and you still no pay with. But still if inflation was a test you would have get A+. So when me met the US the exchange rate buck, got the dollar getting weaker, and the solar light bill it would have cheaper. But a JPS you prefer keep your Ebenezer. So you Scrooge from the ghetto people, where you starve and every year you buy a better vehicle. The things you do are beat with bad, but still you manage to keep your job. So me I tell you well done, Mr. Politician man. You done a wonderful job at tear down with country demolition man. Sibbly bang, well done, Miss Politician lady. You done such a great job selling out with country. Coming like Humpty Dumpty now. Congratulate them, you know. Yeah, man, give thanks to the effort, you know.
Yes, my people. Got to keep on moving through the struggles, you know. It's not an easy road. Not an easy road. Rastafari bless my soul. It's not easy to carry my load. It's not easy to travel my road. It's in a journey of 1,000 miles. Starts with one footstep. It's not easy. And don't you ever forget. Alright, try to put your foot in my shoes and walk quarter mile. You gotta take it off and catch water boil so much. There's a my face I couldn't smile for a while after being the victim of an innocent child. The road is rocky to the Nile. I got to give him a new well 1/10 of the spoil. My little buckle lamp is running out of oil. It's not easy to carry my load. It's not easy to travel my road. Some say the journey of 1,000 miles starts with one footstep. It's not easy. Don't you ever forget. All them a curse and chat. I tell them not to be true. love can set the people free. Only love, only love. Free from all those pain and misery. Only love, only love. Only love can set the people free. Only love, only love. Free from all those pain and misery. Only love, only love. Take a look at the condition the world is in. Then you will know the world is in need of love. Because they try everything, but them not try love. Cause if they try love, they wouldn't act so. They should have known to show love to their neighbors. Only love can set the people free. Only love, only love. Free from all those pain and misery. Only love, only love. Only love can set the people free. So free, free from all those pain and misery.
So let's give it a all, alright. Do it the way that it can be. Heart, mind, and soul, this will require. Eliminate hate with love burning fire. Give it to all, alright. Do it the way that it can be. What does it take to share with each other? Care for a fear of another brother. What we need is love.
Only love can set the people free. Only love, only love. Free from all those pain and misery.
What we need is love.
Only love can set the people free. So free, free from all those pain and misery. Only love, only love.
Oh, what a joy it brings to the children singing. Sharing the love and comfort the Most High brings. Yeah, yeah, they say, share this love to one and all. Share this love, it is the greatest of all. Share this love, oh, what a joy it brings. Why? I could not sit to wonder, could not linger longer. It's the voice of Father, roaring thunder. Emperor Selassie, I the faith defender. Mount Zion ways make the people get wiser. Listen me youngster and minister. We tough and 90, we could never get conquered. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah.
Only love can set
love. We no want no pocket fi come in. Only strictly sense me na fi come over pan the scene. Everything fi have a queen. Man straight and never lean. And listen so and Crest Supreme. Why some brown rice a guan steam. And Charlie's blazing. And food a spice a yard of love. Some real warriors we born friends a yard of love. Charlie's blazing. And food a spice a yard of love. Everything nice a yard of love. All emblem ice a yard of love. Charlie's blazing. And food a spice a yard of love. Some real warriors we born friends a yard of love. Charlie's blazing. And food a spice a yard of love. Everything nice a yard of love. All emblem ice a yard of love. Body man, herbs, Fanda boat outside. And who not roll with Charlie's them have a split from outside. And real warriors not jam out from the roadside. If I don't me tool me always have something here and me so tight. We have the conquering lion by my gate side. And Babylon them always end up on the bedside. And y'all don't know from living the on the straight side. We think Selassie that's the great side. Charlie's blazing. And food that's spice a yard of love. Some real warriors we born friends a yard of love. Charlie's blazing. And food that's spice a yard of love. Everything nice a yard of love. All emblem ice a yard of love. Charlie's blazing. And food that's spice a yard of love. Some real warriors we born friends a yard of love. Charlie's blazing. And food that's spice a yard of love. Everything nice a yard of love. Yes, Selassie like daily. And not a crap. His Majesty has never ever failed me. Pray against them can't come near me. Me know me chat it loud, them a feel me. Fire make them a feel cool up, not full up. Fire catch them from every angle, I them a fall up. Hail King Selassie, he's the real king. Burn play again, that you feel king. Listen to this blazing. And food that spice a yard of love. Some real warriors, we born friends a yard of love. Charlie's blazing. And food that spice a yard of love. And everything nice a yard of love. All emblem ice a yard of love. Charlie's blazing. And food that spice a yard of love. Some real warriors, we born friends a yard of love. Charlie's blazing. And food that spice a yard of love. And everything nice a yard of love. All emblem ice a yard of love. The vibes good no tense from the ends. We can't tell you say we burn friends from the ends. And play again them can't come from the ends. Smoking high grade, not drink no right from the ends. Yeah, Charlie's blazing and that me done said. Hail King Selassie while the fire burn red. And play again me dash the ball of fire and the red. Burn play again me burn a journey. Charlie's blazing and food that spice a yard of love. Some real warriors we born friends a yard of love. Charlie's blazing and food that spice a yard of love. Everything nice a yard of love. All emblem ice a yard of love. Charlie's blazing and food that spice a yard of love. Some real warriors we born friends a yard of love. Charlie's blazing and food that spice a yard of love. Everything nice a yard of love. All emblem ice a yard of love. And the boat outside and not roll with Charlie's.
Bus what? Left some of them a wait at the bus stop. Nuff get the bus and go fall off track and see down a bus back. I wait for bus back, but guess what? Still I see I alone, me salute all when like a the trend Chronixx attack it show. Me say me nah do where Babylon want me do. Them dress in a straight jeans, me in a khaki all when me a the only man with pants pan waist. Me nah follow nobody. And when the old Jamaica bleach them face, me nah follow nobody. Tell them a me man, no me same one. Circle Papa Chronixx on the microphone stand. And when I me alone I sing righteous song, me nah follow nobody. Tell them trend easy if you follow. No easy fi set, no settle for the less, I proceed for the best. And if you think I lie, put me to the test. Give me a beat and I might, me no need nothing else. Me see them a drink rum but me nah sip up. And me no want junk till me can't get up. Me say me nah sing no song but the party buck was me nah show me underpants we bust. Me a the young man with pants pan waist, but me nah follow nobody. And when the old Jamaica bleach them face, me nah follow nobody. Make them know a me man, no me same one. Easy Papa Chronixx pan it, Lord. And when I me alone I sing righteous song, me nah follow nobody. Them me a one Rasta youth when I prepare pressure. Nah follow some dread and go pre-ear dresser. Enough attack said them mad, enough attack said them bad. And when you go with them yard like Savine be a setter. And a floss who them say me nah bust without a tattoo. Hey, I couldn't meet them attack to them a figure circle down make Chronixx pass through. All when me a the only man with pants pan waist, nah follow nobody. Whole Jamaica bleach them face, but me nah follow nobody. Tell them trend easy if you follow, you know easy if you set. No settle for the less, I proceed for the best. And if you think I lie, put me to the test. Give me a beat and I might, me no need nothing else. Me see them a drink rum, but me nah sip up. And me no want junk till me can't get up. Me say me nah sing no song but the party buck was me nah show me underpants we bust. Me a the young man with pants pan waist, but me nah follow nobody. And when the old Jamaica bleach them face. Me nah follow nobody. Make them know I'm me, man. No me same one. Easy pupa Chronixx panic. Lord, and when I'm me alone I sing righteous song. Me nah follow nobody.
Now watch no face, beg no more pardon. Enough drugs, money they a cherry garden. Enough individual society applauding. You can ask anybody where them get them starting. But no politician take a donation. So no criminal will never see a station. Never see a cell, not even a courthouse. But every Sunday we see them take a boat out. North Coast Resort and car dealership. The construction company, them just don't legit. Usually wash the money, turn it round and hide it. When the kickback them come in, the government delighted. So police cancel operation. Cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check his situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you are the problem what we face too. Was about to buy a next 6, you know. Maybe then I never have to be a prisoner. Maybe then I coulda not turned in my firearm. Police couldn't come remand, come me like me run an army. Was about to be a politician too. Maybe then I coulda make any decision. Look, maybe then I make 100 million disappear. Then me act like me no care. What you bought me back in there? Because it's sad reality. In a Jamaica say your status or your salary. Man, the road a carry one whole heap of felony. But them have a family, a boost up the economy. So, police cancel operation. Cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check his situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you are the it's out of many, but a one set of people feeling it. How that real society you agree to this? Things are revealed, the garbage, the machine spit. No smoke screen, a river and no conceal it. Now the system failing, the gap a get wider. A matter of time before a total divide ya. You cross the line, man, drop it to remind you. If you build it on crime, then crime will have to find you. And that's how it's been always. That not frustrate you like it do to me. How much dead baby they over Jubilee? How much youths did 10 when them running at Tivoli? Now them 16 hard fry head fricassee. So police cancel operation. Cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check his situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you are the problem what we face too.
Things and times get injured, yeah. I'm never gonna be a slave for them economy now. Accurate. The fire burning immaculate. Kabaka Pia make you know I'm never gonna be a slave to them system. Rasta now look no walking at them business. Never gonna be a slave to them system. Locks a grow, do not get it twisted. Never gonna be a slave to them system. Now bonus two fists in a wrist bling. Never gonna be a slave. Never gonna be a slave. Better to be brave. Okay. I man rather do some farming, plant up a couple acre than be a faker. I prefer be a fruit seller than a teller in a bank of Jamaica, bankrupt Jamaica. I prefer sell some books and some arts and crafts than see the Venn diagram on the boss man chart. They make a profit but the last man lost me. Them not crucify on the cross. I'm never gonna be a slave to them system. Rasta now look no walking at them business. Never gonna be a slave to them system. Locks a grow, not even get it twisted. And never gonna be a slave to them system. Rasta stoop low, piss in a wrist bling. Never gonna be a slave. Never gonna be a slave. Better to be brave. Okay. Nobody worry when the youths them a fall away. We not stick around for boost them economy. That's something they you call school is a policy. Pan all the teacher them a use psychology. Hey, yes education a the key, but it not free. So them a slave you for a fee. Once you graduate and you get your degree, and your student loan you have to free. I'm never gonna be a slave to them system. I now look a walking at them business. Never gonna be a slave to them system. Locks a grow, do not get it twisted, they're never gonna be a slave to them system. No bone or stupid, see no wrist bling. Never gonna be a slave, never gonna be a slave. Better to be brave, yeah. Cause as a Rasta man in a them system, them discriminate we, intimidate we. Boss man, them ever quick to incriminate. And I ask what you did for me lately. You got your wife to feed and a baby as well. Without self-sufficiency, a slavery and hell. So when the bills keep piling on, looking at the mirror and say to yourself, I'm never gonna be a slave to them system. I know look now walking at them business. Never gonna be a slave to them system. Locks ago, not even get it twisted. Never gonna be a slave to them system. Now bone or stupid, in a wrist bling. Never gonna be a slave. Never gonna be a slave.
Yeah. Hey, hey. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey. When I open my eyes each morning, I have to say a prayer. Oh, thanking Heavenly Father for everything. He gave me ones who cared. Oh, but when you look at even the TV and the things you see, whoa, and where you dwell, take a look around. Lots of serious things going on. Well, another little child will have to shed tears for your wrongdoings. Innocent children will have to feel the pain again and again. Another little child will have to shed tears for your wrongdoings. Innocent children will have to feel the pain again and again. When they come with their warring and they beat up people being shut down, so many dying. All the little girls and boys who always have their joy who can't have things that seem inevitable. And they continue with the fussing and fighting, gun shooting, their bombs ignite. Still, some people like they have no pity, no. Sit and relax so free, while another little child will have to shed the tears for your wrongdoings. Innocent children will have to feel the pain again and again. Another little child will have to shed the tears for your wrongdoings. Innocent children will have to feel the pain again and again. Yeah, hey, oh, whoa, oh, oh, yeah, yeah, whoa, oh, yeah. And everywhere I see confusion, people living in lies and illusion, fighting for more and more, and can't find an open door. Well, another little child will have to shed tears for your wrongdoings. Innocent children will have to feel the pain again and again. Another little child will have to shed tears for your wrongdoings. Innocent children will have to feel the pain again and again. Yeah, hey, when I open my eyes each morning, I have to say a prayer. Oh,
They don't know, and I said they don't know. Oh boy, they see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Only you know, yeah. Only you know. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. They see the dancing, them see the performance. Enough people see me life and want one, but them no know say more time it look dormant. And them no see say I'm me belly me a crawl pan. Cause my mama just called me with tears in her eyes. She never know me have a stage show tonight. Not even she see the fears in my eyes, but me just a go and put on the show. Cause they don't know, yeah. They don't know, oh, oh. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Them no know, them no know. Only you know. Only I know, Jah. They see me smile, but they don't know what I feel inside. Yes, in at the boiling sun, putting it on the street. Righteous music, me putting it on the beat. But nothing no righteous about how life said. If you no know hard life, then you no know life yet. Because my papa just call me poverty, make him a screw. Him never know, say me have a interview. But me still have to put on the show because they don't inside. Love me make my ball, leave me make my cry. Yes I, oh. And I say love me make my ball, love me make my cry. Only I know, yes,
got to fix why you broken. Oh, Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul too proud. Love is open, and love is open. Whoa, and Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul for pride, but love is open, love is open. See them a tell me about them race, but Rasta man, yeah man will lead them. Brother they love to tell me nothing, me no pre-friend. Rasta man, we not go mix up with no heathen. See I see my dirty vibe that defeat them. Oh, step it one and we and leave them. So I say yeah, he must set the real trend. Real from the heart, me not pretend. Love about some of the seals, them tell them Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul too proud. Love is open, and love is open. Whoa, and Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul for pride, but love is open, love is open. Hey, you better strong, hey, you better strong. Ballin' a creeping and them moving like a second hand. Them kill veteran, them no set no plan. Every day a negative that you get up on, that you make up on. Them fight get up on. Hey, love leave your heart, you want check up on. Long time you sell your soul, you feel let suspend. You make no grand, but tell them Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul too proud. Love is open, and love is open. Whoa, and Jah will be my God, and Jah will be right by my side. I see the sell the soul for pride, but love is open, love is open. See them a tell me about them race, but Rasta man, yeah man will lead them.
So poor it on the poor. Forevermore, Selassie, I see it. I've got
so much love in my soul. Get your children, I love you much more than gold.
King Rastafari in control. Mystery Babylon, me say you had a figure out.
So much love in my soul. Get your children, you value much more than gold.
King Rastafari in control. Dirty Babylon.
ain't no giving up. Me still a live it up. Love the child, love the glory. Me have to big it up. Hey, me not go flick it up. Select up, pull the rhythm up. Release the youth out to poverty.
I've got so much love in my soul. Get your children, I love you much more than gold.
King Rastafari in control. Mystery Babylon, me say you had a figure out.
So much love in my soul. Get your children, you value much more than gold.
King Rastafari in control. Dirty Babylon. Love so
Powerful.
hey. Red, green and gold, I'm so colorful. Turban wrap me head, Babylon, them face it a frowns and I get so full. Me born from Rome, go to Chicago bull. Them can't touch me locks, boo, can't cut me bull. Get your children, no make no politician, boy, give you no big long gun figure.
I've got so much love in my soul. Get your children, I love you much more than gold.
King Rastafari in control. Mystery Babylon, me say you had a figure out.
So much love in my soul. Get your children, you value much more than gold.
King Rastafari in control. Booyah! Take away the houses and the car and the cookies and the jar and the big SLR. All that we got left is enough.
Yeah. And as we gather to take part in this ancient tradition, different style. Whoa, chalice full of water, ashes in a sea. Zugo light the matches, bunny stash in a coachy. Lucky say me have it so, as the chop and rip. Chucky say him a bit him, we go for cause of me. Nothing at the duffel of it stuff you shoulda see. Rough up on the government, free up the economy. Make them know say it's a carry healing property. Stack the tree on top of tree and sip it like a cup of tea. I can remember how them puffy on the lane. Doggy dread him set it, him a did one of them. Bossa did a call, no a pusher does the same. Cause when time Sunday morning come and one thing a remain. Say it. Yes, it's bubbling, good Lord, it's bubbling. Yeah. the stash in a the back.
Selassie. Yeah, man, for the warriors, you know. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Man, a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow, same way. Man, a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Yeah. Man, a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow, same way. Man, a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Man, a survivor, black version of MacGyver. With the people, them where you cry, Nina. Say me and me own a designer, liner. Judah Selassie, I forever. Inna them ya tiny, oneness, I and I apply for. Deep in a meditation, me take a dive, ya. Link my boil, orthodox and 12 tribe, ya. Them thing the people feel remind of, yeah. Man, a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow, same way. Yeah, man, a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Yeah, man, a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow same way. Yeah, man, a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray.
I and I have no fear, ya. Black version of Guavera. Fight the direction, them a steer you. The truth we after, and we can't falter, say Kabaka. Hold the harder, play the parter. See them come
Well, I don't think we can find our way back after all of the things that you did. No all the pleading in the world now go change that. Some things are just too hard to forgive. All of my friends, they used to warn me about you, but I couldn't see a thing past your smile. I know the past is coming right back to haunt you. I hope you like it when the bills start to pile. Too much styling.
Can't pop no styling, I girl.
Yo girl, you're full of too much styling.
Can't pop no styling,
I say you're full of too much styling.
Can't pop no styling, I girl.
I know my love for you is spoiling.
Can't pop no styling,
How many times we've had the same conversation? Why you always find a reason to lie? And girl, it seems you need some deep meditation. Might sound simple, but it's still worth a try. Some of the times me have to wonder if you're crazy. When I think about the tricks that you pull, I know you claim me that you wanna be my lady, but equal one full, cause you're full of too much styling.
can't pop no styling, I girl.
Young girl, you're full of too much styling.
Can't pop no styling, I.
What make you full of so much styling?
Can't pop no styling, I girl.
I know my love for you is spoiling. I say my love for you is spoiling. See my pants length could have pay your 2-month rent, and you could have work under my employment. For if I was to take you away from all that you claim, hold you down, then what would you say? Probably complain just the same, cause it's always about you and your own way. I know you think what life is about, for you upping up your mouth, cause a smile gets you more than a show. Must be all these guys in your past, I carry you go last. Go to school but you can't teach class, cause you're full of too much styling.
Can't pop no styling, I girl.
Yo girl, you're full of too much styling.
Can't pop no styling, I.
Yes, you say one, I say you're full of too much styling.
Can't pop no styling, I girl.
I know my love for you is, I say my love for you is spoiling.
Skanking, grooving, hallelujah. Skanking, grooving, hey me Teacha, yeah. Skanking, grooving, under pressure, yeah. Skanking, grooving, under the pressures of your life and it tough. Now stay down, mama, time pick it up. Now bother with the down, full style, strictly up, full vibes. Now pick it up when the bills, them, the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah. When me chalice, when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Yeah. Light up a split, turn up the music. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and you rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet, everybody every pain there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make we sing together. And who say life no order? And every man got this struggle. I beg you to help me, Lord, and let me overcome my struggles. Can't get sweet, yeah. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. Can I feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. Can I feel a reggae music sweet, yeah. Skanking sweet. We skank it till the morning come. Until the day when my troubles are gone. Hallelujah. We're grooving in a Teacha. We're grooving on my troubles away. Everybody wanna feel like your troubles and a rockin'. You know feel a reggae music sweet. Girl, I mean name Chronixx. Yes, I am. And I will give everything what you want, girl. Anything what you need, yes. But I one thing, may beg you please. Don't you take my love for granted. My love for granted, girl. For granted. Don't you take my love. And anything that you ever wanted, it's yours. Access granted, girl. For granted. Don't you take my love. Woman, boy. How we cook and how we clean and how we wash. And how we walk and how we run and how we jog. Around the world for you, why you? Buy your the beamer and the home and the job. Tell me what you want, my dear. Tell me what you need. If I rent, school fee, tuition, it is all on me. But I beg you please, please don't hurt me, mommy. Why? Please don't break my heart. After all, I got true for you, stay true to you. Great deeds I may do for you. I may know these words ain't new to you. A long time, me I beg you please. Don't you take my love for granted. My love for granted, girl. For granted. Don't you take my love. And anything that you ever wanted, it's yours. Access granted, girl. For granted. Don't you take my love, woman. I mean I have no issues, no. Chronixx no have trust issues. But I will leap a changes me making a life, and I make them just for you. So from your see a Rasta, you like me make changes. You know say your rating star. So from your slip then you slide. No if no maybe you know say your rating star.
What's going on? No matter come now when you come in the job, got people not to suffer like this. Give it up. Me no see nothing for laugh about. Don't come tell me for laugh. What if I issue them for talk about? So I'll joke things we put off. Comedian, me not fight against something but separation of some big stone and fling. So if you crack your best joke and you see me not laugh, the system must be and it a spin. And me hear it hard. A device where you come out tired. And me hear it hard. Same thing when me touch over brand. Everything I raise me now lie. I wait for a miracle to drop out the sky. I be up with tears, me see a drop out the eye. I go supermarket and fi watch how you buy. Give it up. No need to mention the bills them. Poor people say that it a kill them. Prescription we can't fill them. Me still a drink on all me meals them. All me hear it hard. Device where you come out tired. All me hear it hard. Same thing when me touch over broad. Before it get better, get worse. The system empty me while it's gone with me dirt bird. This will make it to the Christian curse. All me see a more death, more funeral and more hearse. Me nah go give up and make it stress me. Me can't make the poor my light to sketch me. Me a ask Father God to go and bless me. Give me the strength. Give it up. And me say it hard. Device where you come out tired. And hear it hard. Same thing when me touch over broad. And hear it hard. Device where you come out tired. And hear it hard. Same thing when me touch over broad. Give it up. Me no see nothing for laugh about. Don't come tell me them feel laugh. What if I issue them for talk about? So I'll joke things we put down. Comedian, me not find get something but some variation of some mixed one a fling. So if you crack your best joke and you see me now laugh, this is the bus made and it has been. And me hear it hard. On the voice where you come out tired, and me hear it hard. Same thing when me touch over brand. Everything I raise me now lie. I wait for a miracle to jump out the sky. I be a hungry taste me.
Tell me you can't say them dirty my head. Say I see I'm the savior divine. Rise man a rise, then them a climb. Far away from evil, yeah man a stay. Hey man a stay. From you no depart from evil, yeah please don't come my way. Hey go away. Yo, heights up in the hills, yeah man me try it in the valley. Tell them say fi move the heavy out when them a carry. No me nah go stay no time with pagans them a tarry. Yeah, man a leader so no boy can't carry. Yeah, no time in a sleep on Babylon them ferry. See them a come with guns, let them say that no necessary. Yeah, see them tool them by it make people a bury. Yeah. Man a well-trained dignitary, yeah. Man a big brain dictionary, yeah. No watch me looks, just check out me vocabulary. Try no watch the pagan bad things them office, yeah. Still a keep me Sabbath on the Saturday. Them always stop me think but tell them not today. Obstacle now way so we a go rock it well. Lightning and thunder me use clap it well. So when me see the pagans yeah me office, far away from evil, yeah man a stay. Hey man a stay. From you no depart from evil, like please don't come my way. Hey go away. Yo, far away from evil, yeah man a stay. Hey man a stay. From you no depart from evil, like please don't come my way. Tell them say righteous way mama bring me. That's why we try to bubble hill and try to bing it. And tell the Babylon the boy them they can't sing me. And then the princess want a real king she feeling me. And tell them send me move me try it very simply. Roots wine we drinking. They cut and clear the BCP wine you're drinking. Tell them say Selassie I am this me thinking. Me stay far me no mix up na them sinking. And what tell me say your type answer the hinting. Yeah me burn them and them slack me and them bleaching. Yeah, to the youths me want it reaching. Tell them love yeah, them fi keeping. Tell them far away from evil, yeah man a stay. Hey man a stay. From you no depart from evil, like please don't come my way. Hey go away. Hey tell them say far away from evil, yeah man a stay. Hey man a stay. From you no depart from evil, like please don't come my way. Yeah. Me burn fire cause the fire strong. People that see me say me and the young fireman. Yo me reach my goals because me desire strong. You can't stop me from burn Babylon. Tell them say yeah, hey I'm a family man. And tell them say no time me nah go grow me family wrong. And tell them say clean and pure cause me that try the land. And tell them say dirty heart of me move and cut down. And tell them say Moses in the chat up and Galilee land. Repatriation make me try do man the man of the land. Tell them say far away from evil, yeah man a stay. Hey man a stay. From you no depart from evil, like please don't come my way. Me a beg you Babylon say go away. Hey far away from evil, yeah man a stay. Hey man a stay. From evil like go away.
It's night and day. So he that knoweth the truth and fail to do, you don't know the rest. The water is troubled, my friend. Step right in. The water is troubled, my friend. So dip and wash off your sin. The water is troubled, my friend. Step right in. The water is troubled, my friend. Bless up every Rasta youth. We decide to speak the truth and never step away from righteousness. No, no, no. No, we don't play. We defend truth and rights each and every day. Oh, so from you keep it real, Rasta. Let me see the animal of the real Rastas. Nah, give up the steel, Rasta. Jaja, our sword and shield. From me know you're real, Rasta. Lights up the man and make me see, Rasta. From me know you're real, real, real. Real, 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 real. Me have melodies to kill them. not to them. Those who feel they can test. Jah is highly blessed. No, we don't play. We defend truths and rights each and every day. Run the heathen away. So from me know you're real Rasta. Make me see the animal of the real Rastas. Nah, give up the steel Rasta. Cause Jaja always sword and shield. From me know you're real Rasta.
Believe in yourself, believe in yourself, believe in yourself, not nobody else. Believe in yourself, believe in yourself, believe in yourself. If every man should change this earth the way he desires, then so much war from earth to Mars will be on fire. If every soul should try to hold his belief up higher, our liberty and unity will be no longer. So change within yourself and seek the peace you need. You have all you need. So change within yourself and seek the peace you need. You have all you need. And if you never know, a time you feel know. And if you never see it, a time you feel see it. You cannot change the world until you change within. And if you never know, a time you feel know. And if you never see it, a time you feel see it. You cannot change the world until you change within. So change within yourself and seek the peace you need. You have all you need. So change within yourself and seek the peace you need. You have all you need. If everyone should live in fear, nothing will happen. And
Story of my life, ordinary person just like you. If you take a look inside, you see the great things that people do. Changing lives day and night, but nothing I do ever makes the news. Still I have to do what's right, to the King of all kings all praise is due. Yesterday I was on a train, a little boy asked me my name. He said, sir, I've seen you before, tell me who are you? Said I am a legend that you never heard of before. I said I am a lion, but you never heard me roar. I am a hero that nobody celebrates. But if one person remembers my name, that means I made a change. I'm the man who cooks the food and feed the street people in the afternoon. I'm the lady with the broom, sweeping the halls of your son's preschool. I'm the soldier who's up all night, making sure everything's alright. And if you ask me, I'm quite fine, being an ordinary person doing what's right. Yesterday at the football game, a little girl asked me my name. She said, sir, I've seen you before, tell me who are you? I said I am a legend that you never heard of before. Said I am a lion, but you never heard me roar. I am a hero that nobody celebrates. But if one person remembers my name, that means on the ocean of fame I'm an unknown sailor. I'm the percussionist playing with the wailers, the one with the shaker, the mover and shaker. My name wasn't on the front of the paper, but me not cater. Much more than the worker is greater. Creation glorifies creator. So all deeds done are in the name of my maker. I am a legend that you probably never hear about. Words from the lion's mouth. I am a hero that nobody celebrates. But if one person remembers my name, give praise, that means I made a change. And I'm a legend.
liberty, don't call I no captive. Need to go home to the land of my natives, where I can sit with my African relatives over bridges, enter provinces and villages. I got the right to rebel. I got his story to tell. Fighting for life and liberty, since you never respect time and personality. Oh, yeah. Oppress a man, you lost in your own sauce. Uneven heart could never pass. You're double cross, so you must get cast away. Oppress a man, you lost in your own sauce. Uneven heart could never pass. Double cross, so you must get cast away. We don't need no more Holocaust. You set your price and the people pay the cost with their lives, fighting the everyday strife. Armageddon on the street, now who's facing the heat? Still won't accept defeat. Oh, the victory is so sweet, slave make us sing beneath. No more lies nor deceit. Though the journey is so steep, I and I won't get weak. There is a mission to complete. Never give up this struggle. I and I never give up this struggle. Man will break free by any means necessary. Oh, you're lost in your own sauce. Uneven heart could never pass. Double cross, so they must get cast away. Oppress a man, you're lost in your own sauce. Uneven heart could never pass. Double cross, so you must get cast away. In the ghetto neighborhood, I see too much screw face. No time for settling down, some man are moving a haste. Fighting for a space in this western place. Can't sit down and gaze, nothing don't drop from space. City full of predators for the prey they lay wait. Watch and anticipate for us to make mistakes. Mr. Politics, I said you're way too late, cause I and I don't need your handshake. Fake, you're lost in your own sauce. Uneven heart could never pass. Double cross, so you must get cast away. Oppress a man, you're lost in your own sauce. Uneven heart could never pass. Double cross, so you must get cast away. 400 years and more, and still you keep on oppressing the poor. 400 years and more, still in my face it tries to lock your door.
It's gonna bring about a bloody revolution. Don't lead the people into poverty. There'll be more crimes than you'll ever see. Don't lead the people into frustration. It's gonna bring about a bloody revolution. Don't lead the people into poverty. There'll be more crimes than you'll ever see. When you've got ambitious people every day in the burning sun, working hard to make it better for the little one. Time come for them to get paid, there's always a problem. Work for your dollars, they don't wanna give you a cent. Can't turn to your bank book, everything done spent. Landlord say he's gonna put you out if you don't have your rent. Pressure and more pressure on poor people's back. Soon they're gonna react if you continue to lead the people into frustration. It's gonna bring about a bloody revolution. Don't lead the people into poverty. There'll be more crimes than you'll ever see. Don't lead the people into frustration. It's gonna bring about a bloody revolution. Don't lead the people into poverty. There'll be more crimes than you'll ever see. The crime rate keeps going up and everyone keeps wondering why. Poor people out there are suffering, their little children get sick and die. While the system keep on pretending as if they don't know what's going on. Still a brother can't take it no more, so he decides to pick up his arm. Full the old place up a con. But you can't say firstborn never won. You can't say firstborn never won. Beg you not to lead the people into frustration. It's gonna bring about a bloody revolution. Don't lead the people into poverty. There'll be more crimes than you'll ever see. Don't lead the people into frustration. It's gonna bring about a bloody revolution. Bring about into poverty. There'll be more
here for a Too much blood in the streets from lately. The man a shot and a kill all, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. It's no if, no maybe. Hey, too much blood in the streets from lately. Man a shot and a kill all, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. It's no if, no maybe. I'm here, hungry belly in the street, and we can't turn we eye and go on like we no see it. African poverty and hunger get defeat. We all have to work and put we shoulders to the weed. Them not help the youths and wonder why the blood a leak. Every day, yeah, them trying to get the best away. See them a trying to turn the youth them in a refugee. Youths over the centuries, see them on the bill graves and penitentiaries. In a Babylon, go Teacha, that's them temporaries. Too much blood in the streets from lately. Yeah, man, a shot and a kill all, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. It's no if, not maybe. Hey, too much blood in the streets from lately. Man, a shot and a kill all, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. And the more time you take, and more time I last. Remember time no wait pan no man when time a pass. All ways of God pan the sign you walk. Cause mankind no have no love in a them heart. As a war start them a reach for rise up the creature. Just be careful they can shot will reach you. As far they will leave you. That side they will grieve you. Them quick to sell you out cause them no need you. Them can't trod the road where we go. Cause when you're hungry them not feed you. Too much blood in the streets from lately. Yeah, man a shot and a kill on, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. It's no if, not maybe. Hey, too much blood in the streets from lately. Yeah, man a shot and a kill on, baby. The motherless needs unreal. Let's give unreal. I've got the moon. I've got to show love. Them my iPhone
Babylon just disillusion and confusion. You know, come to the R/X way, Rastafari way. That's what I say. This a idol earth, idol Zion, idol birds, idol lion, blows a skirt, pants are iron. This Selassie I show them a malfunction. This a idol earth, idol Zion, idol birds, idol lion, blows a skirt, pants are iron. This mama me can me slow them. Well, she say Babylon already. Chop off and broke up, never stand steady. Burn them beer and we go burn them teddy. Like Percy and we a flame so tready. Hungry fi fed but you no never come feddy. Blind man time but you never come lady. Shelter the less but you never come sheddy. Free ganja fi make me catch back a medi. Side mama earth, una better respect it. London Clark's booty a go and wrecky. Now we feel like as a pirate mecky. Fire me a fling John Paul can't take it. Me a burn them checky. This a idol earth, idol Zion, idol birds, idol lion, blows and skirts, pants are iron. This King Selassie them a malfunction. This a idol earth, idol Zion, idol birds, idol lion, blows and skirts, pants are iron. This Emmanuel and me go slow them. You know see say Babylon born in a genetic. Study them a study how fi rob you in a metric. Hey sweet girl, check if you're diabetic. Selassie at the alpha so me born alphabetic. Empress Omega she black energetic. Marcus Garvey a cent and profit. Hey western style, bossy slave drop it. Take your bloody hand from out of your pocket. Hey astronaut come out of the rocket. Bun me satire me go bun bread a jacket. 1, 2, Bobo Shanti and knock it. Free will it free up when the whole of them a lock it. This a idol earth, idol Zion, idol birds, idol lion, blouse and skirt, pants are iron. This mama me come me burn out your land. This a idol earth, idol Zion, idol birds, idol lion, blouse and skirt, pants are iron. This King Selassie me a slow them. Don't let them tell you about them blasted fairy tales.
I became so disobedient. Evidently, Babylon can't represent we. No, no way. No, 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 no. I say, let Jah lead the way, go every day. I pray, send a lead and the lost them way, cause enough of them gone. I say, let Jah lead the way, go every day. I pray, I said that you them the lost them way. I
long time I talk, it's like them never listen. I tell them stop shipping the shine and glisten. Well, every day I get a youth get missing by the gun. I see the now. I burn Benedict without the Lego. It's majestic in my head creator. I have flames span round dirty paper. I see the now you want to kill your own brother $50. So I say, let ya leave that way. Cause every day I pray. Say no lead them, no lost them way. Cause enough of them gone. I say, let ya leave that way. Cause every day I pray. I said I leave them, no lost them way. I from 1962 them trick way. I come close and make me give you the history. Emancipate on the slavery mentality. But I need a UK colony. I give thanks them, I celebrate them 50. While black people under strain and poverty. I tell you only is the first. The system is a curse. I sing it if you with me, yes I tell you the world. I say, let ya lead the way. Cause every day I pray. Send a lead and I lost them way. Cause enough of them gone. I say, let ya lead the way. Cause every day I pray. Send a lead and I lost them way. Open your eyes, I realize in time. Cause everything goes with the wind. I guess and I will never lose my mind. Cause joy is always within all the time. But it is what you chase. Light to the people face. Not right. Be mindful of the cycle of life. I say, let ya lead that way. Cause every day I pray. The lead and the dance them way. Cause enough of them gone. I say, let ya lead that way. Cause every day
holding on in Jah with us, yeah. Oh, the faith, Most High is so great. Never go astray. Can't make the pressures of life get to my head, get to my head. Me now make them negative vibes stray my best, stray my best. Me a go and yell sreggae, cause I'm at the head, him at the head. I got to burn the fire hot, I got to burn it red. I Teacha give me life and make me hearted. Certain things me not gonna laugh and take for granted. Wicked people want to take disadvantage, but I equal right to stand for me make one pledge. And when you're hungry, on your belly, go for the gold but your soul no sell it. No people born to the right socially, but warm to the ones who don't have any. If you don't stand for something, you're gonna fall for anything. Cause life is a very thing. Most time hear me when we cry, when we sing. Can't make the pressures of life get to my head, get to my head. Me now make them negative vibes stray my mates, stray my mates. And I go and hear sreggae, cause I'm at the head, him at the head. I got to burn the fire hot, I got to burn it red. Marcus say your self-reliance. Work hard with my strength and my iron. System coulda rough, coulda tough like iron. Sling and a stone, David slew the giant. Cause we are real overcomers. Wicked a fight, we get stronger. Tell them who shall bless, no man curse. And me glad say me pass the verse. If you don't stand for something, you're gonna fall for anything. Cause life is a very thing. Most time when we cry, when we sing. Yeah, make the pressures of life get to my head, get to my head.
Pave a way for tomorrow and the joy you're feeling inside. Never turn sorrow. I know there's a thin line between sad and having fun, but when it's all done, yes, I put my trust in one, only in a heart. Because it is so much. I only in a heart. Because it is so much. Many would say that, many would do, but can't do without him. I need a true king, and I know our spiritual existence, cause the mighty king is our closest friend. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Only in
Because it is so bad. I only in a because it's mine, see what we have. Father, we are here, and we obey even though some don't care. Hoping, till there's one day. He ruled the throne, no rocking chair. Ethiopia, this man was born there, descended from the mountains. Africa is that player, so in because it is so bad. Yes, only in the heart. Because it's so bad.
The king watch them wondering when me fly down far. We step on the beast and kick down with him like a slide down bar. We burning the system, we tell the youths if we fight come far. Uplifting me sister, tell us Selassie, I love star. We know all it, Babylon the system falling, but this is just the beginning. Beginning of the grand finale. Finale because eventually we get the call. So if we stand up tall and if we gang up cause united, we stand divided, we fall and we love. Whoa, oh, walk with the Prince of Peace, Selassie are the leader. Praises be to the kings of kings, Alpha and Omega. Hear that children say, oh, Selassie are the leader. Oh, Alpha and Omega. Guiltiness is on their face and bloodshed on their shoulders. Turn from your sinful way, yeah, before lightning strike all over. Only for atrocity where your husband get to use. Then you have the audacity if you come give me gun for shoot. And not chat all you like the city, well this is the ugly truth. When you bring all the guns come give me give it to my recruit. Big revolution, when time the guns them turn for the old politician. Where bleed come in the first place, you should have fun education. We make the youth them learn, instead of buy ammunition. And you want come run the next term, go run up under your bed. Boy, put your hand on your head, be terrible and be dread. Corrupted politician fit dead boy. Want to coral garden, don't anti-valley garden. Coming like a pre every garden, no revolution reach every garden. Go put this up in the gleaner, me want it reach every reader. If you not live like Haile Selassie, you not fit for be Chronixx leader. Well, walk with the Prince of Peace, Selassie are the leader. Praises be to the kings of kings, Alpha and Omega. Hear that children say. Never gonna stop until my people are free. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be. In the last days when the youth them are preached and terrible. Give thanks and praise for the kings of kings. Praises be to the Prince of Peace. Now stop, give thanks and praise to Alpha and Omega. Empress Menine. Haile Selassie. Chant it again.
From the streets of Jamaica coming live and direct. Protoje there, we no need no mic check. Stepping at the place, nobody disrespect. Just I want to get the youths about the choice for them I make. Lordy, Lordy, now join no party. Look what the politician them do to Claudy. Look what the politician them do to Jim. Him son resurrect it and look what them do to him. Cause they will use and dispose of you, those who are close to you. If you choose to tread the road, you know. So brother, if you are tonight, carry the scars of a coffee. I carry the fire up a Melchizedek. When your mind get a chance, represent. Cause you might have no past, you present. So, not take them class, love your past, then resent you. Want make it fast, so them last every cent too. So we go back to the ancient ways, untold secrets that remained unchanged. Mentally get unchained, I want goal, I want aim at the same, what you saying?
Got to stay true to the things you know are right. Nothing worth the gain you attain by sudden flight. Rather keep your goals in sight.
True.
Even in the darkest night. Have faith in the Father, the one who shines your light.
Mercy me, them corrupt and covetous. Sneak up from me, I they am in here. One thing that you say, the intellect a play up on the poor poverty. Nobody now dance to a two-party. Oppression, brainwashing and nefarious schemes to keep the have-nots where they think they are to be. I man, your promises are better when the poll time close. Then back to the same after we not announce. Rocks down a river bottom, never know say so not. So many of me brother them trapping at the blind. Black full of shot but no food in a pot. What kind of liberty died? I Allah straight up, wake up, sons of Jacob. Lay down their arms, real tools if they take up. Stay up, wake up, sons of Jacob. Time to show the cowards what we made of.
Got to stay true to the things you know are right.
Yo, Ratty. A long time I forgot Chronixx in hurry up, man. Long time I waiting now.
Yeah, man, yeah, forward.
Nothing worth the gain you attain by sudden flight. Is that keep your goals in sight. Even in the darkest night. Have faith in the Father, the one who shines your light.
So you've made it, tell me what's the basis. Thinking it's so basic, cruising in the A6. No, that's an illusion in the matrix. When you miss the payments, they gon' come and claim it. You have to be focused, keep the brain fit, keep the flame lit, never twist it when you aim it. So what I'm saying, simple and it plain, it all look the same when it flushing down the drain. Watch them as them shutting up the lane with the rope, gold chain, chrome supping in a hand. Look up on them face, touch a button if you can. Just be try take your place and no nothing for them man. But that no matter cause another come along and I run the place, but the hotter than the summer sun. I see the cycle I repeat, playing God up in your palace with disciples on the streets. East.
Got to stay true to the things you know are right. Nothing worth the gain you attain by sudden flight.
Highly high, you knew my call most high. Why some leaders in this time don't have no vision or sight? Selassie I, who rules over I, shine forth your light whether day or night. Highly high, my call most high. Why some leaders in this time don't have no vision or sight? Selassie I, who rules over I, shine forth your light, shine forth. Wine and mockery, they defend while living a life of false pretense. Rebuking the poor and starving children. Don't follow the evil heart, them and them wicked friend. Can't bunks we like no ball, make we roll up again. No love, who will T.I.B. old Mr. Smart, feel the heat and Mr. Big God's a code. Oppression, we sight, we need more. To get a daily mean of ghetto youths never show. Highly high, you need my call most high. Why some leaders in the world don't have no vision or sight? Selassie I, who rules over I, shine forth your light whether day or night. Highly high, you need my call most high. Why some leaders in the world don't have no vision or sight? Selassie I, who rules over I, shine forth your light, shine forth. Oh Father of iration, shine your light on this generation. I see too much negatives, so many get caught up in illusion. Nations strike against nation, hatred and devastation. Now is a fight for solution, one of abomination of desolation. So highly high, you need my call most high. Why some leaders in the world don't have no vision or sight? Selassie I, who rules over I, time for your life whether day or
so much sadness everywhere. A lot of people are making the headline, but it's a little after reaching their deadline. Something has to be an unsolved mystery. Unsolved mystery. A lot of people are making the headline, but it's a little after reaching their deadline. Something has to be an unsolved mystery. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm standing in the corner with his his little trade, trying to make a way, trying to get to pay. Honestly, a better day. Most don't know the man, that is what they'll say. But then I heard him was a witness. Now we get dismissed. Another victim. Tell me who's gonna take this? I'm saying, that is only one man story. A lot of people are making the headline, but it's a little after reaching their deadline. Something had to be an unsolved mystery. Unsolved mystery. A lot of people are making the headline, but it's a little after reaching their deadline. Something had to be an unsolved mystery. Whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. See his relatives then crying, speaking all the good things that he had done. Some said it usually happened to some or almost everyone, whether they were a criminal or they were not, or a bypasser or just got caught up on the spot in such a mix-up. Most have one thing in common, can see many of them died by a gun. Yeah, I'm making the headline, but it's a little after reaching their deadline. Something not to be an unsolved mystery. Unsolved mystery. A lot of people are making the
rising and see it creeping over the horizon. It just banish the darkness and bring out the light and leave all of my worries in the night. I love to wait before the sun is rising and see it creeping over the horizon. It just banish the darkness and bring out the light and leave all of my worries in the night. Darkness, the sunlight banish that. Negative thoughts, we banish that. We rise up, some can't manage that. Them things that them a stanish that. So we are clean we house and polish that. Evil things we abolish that. Empress put the fire upon the Paris spot. Me have to step outside and watch. How could this be so real? So many colors in my view. The light from this great being meant to flowers them and bloom. As man of consciousness I take a different point of view. With the essence that's within I've got to fuse. Hey, I love to wait before the sun is rising and see it creeping over the horizon. It just banish the darkness and bring out the light and leave all of my worries in the night. I love to wait before the sun is rising and see it creeping over the horizon. It just banish the darkness and bring out the light and leave all of my worries in the night. What a way life comes when the daylight comes. How can you wrong the man that's worshipping the sun? Hey, such a perfect thing when the birds them sing. I man I wonder what this day is gonna bring. Well then, I put up on my P's and Q's and my juice and blend up some greens and fruits. Get some moringa leaves and chew, then I cut up some food in a peas and stew. I take in the steam and fumes, coconut shell with the real bamboo. Get a drum we a beat that, and Babylon I feel that too. I love to wait before the sun is rising and see it creeping over the horizon. It just banish the darkness and bring out the light and leave all of my worries in the night. I love to wait.
He presides for all, just knowing the right direction and making the right decision. I know you do not wrong, holding firm today. It brings me joy, makes me happy, loving every day and every galley. Where I get like a rise from the roots of Solomon and David say where. If it rains, who's to be blamed? Mother Nature in its cycle, it remains the same. It hurts to know some feeling pain. The truth about life is that you got to maintain holding firm today. It brings me joy, makes me happy, loving every day and every galley. Yes, I get like I rise from the roots of Solomon and David say where. My meditation is so pure, yes. And if you need love, I'll give you more. It's every day. Biblically it says that we are all one, sailing on the King's highway, holding firm today. It brings me joy, makes me happy, loving every day and every galley. boy. Yes, I rise from the roots of Solomon and David said, well, hey. Yes, I sit up. Red, green, and gold is the banner. So now you're pinky, just warm is the fire. Yes, I live up. I want the words of Marcus. I know this world of fun just because I love is what we want. Joy is what we need. And the prophecies reveal holding firm today. It brings me joy, makes me happy. Love in every live and every live.
Yeah, man. My people, you feel know him, my Eli. My people, you feel know King Rastafari. Failing to know him can cause you unnecessary suffering. Go into yourself and you will find him. Straight up living. My people, you feel know him, my Eli. My people, you feel know King Rastafari. Failing to know him can cause you unnecessary suffering. Go into yourself and you will find him. Straight up living. I've studied the concept of Rastafari and in Selassie I will always trust. Just as the good book says, out of Ethiopia came sit on King David's throne and reign. You may be fooled by titles and names, but his divinity remains the same. They may fool you with titles and names, but his divinity remains the same. My people, you feel know him, my Eli. My people, you feel know King Rastafari. Failing to know him can cause you unnecessary suffering. Go into yourself and you will find him. Straight up living. When you come into the knowledge of Rastafari, you don't have no excuse. In your life, people must notice a change. Things should start rearrange. Start get organized. Knowledge of flow and the youth start get wise. Taking them out of utter darkness into the heights of light. Teaching them truth and rights. Telling them not to wait on a miracle or someone to work it out for you. He's already worked it out. Just know, my brother, and don't doubt. Know him, my Eli. My people, you feel know King Rastafari. Failing to know him can cause you unnecessary suffering. Go into yourself.
Whoa. And I say, in a life true friends not come often, but the chosen few me have to call them. My real brother them, my real brother them, been through the ups and downs. Hey, my real brother them, my real brother them, no matter what they stuck around. Hey, good friend better than pocket money. Enough see your eyes and them start act funny, yo. But my real brothers never change. Coulda saw me or coulda sunny. Watch out now, real friends don't change. Not at all, real friends don't change. All when life take a turn for the worse, and them alone show concern for you first. All when me and my family not close, and my friends them keep me composed. Watch I know, my real friend them no worry when my last fall. But if my run cross them, I must say them not stall. And when we link up it not different from the last part. Some of them I only see when something them I ask for. In this game of life, some man no pass ball. Them just a ship and cross over like a all-star. But my real brothers never change. Now switch gear like a fast car. No, real friends don't change. Not at all, real friends don't change. All when life take a turn for the worse, and them alone show concern for you first. All when me and my family not close, and my friends them keep me composed. Watch I know, my real sister them, my real sister them always a show me love. Hey, my real sister them, my real sister them know when for push and
so
shove.
even when the road get rocky, me say me never give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough, I said the tough get going. My people don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in. No, Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. Whoa, whoa, whoa. A lot of youths in life say them can't take the pressure no more. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But from your trust in the most high life, I go get better, I'm sure. The youth juggle on the roadside, Babylon say fi take up your bag and go. Boy, but we still not give up. Me say we solid as a rock like Kalanje. Not give up. I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going get tough, I said the tough gets going. One juggle your fruits, don't give up. I said there ain't no giving in, mama. Rastafari guide your knife from the beginning. Why oh why oh? Teacher not get paid, the government need for purge and process. Oh, yeah. Police not get paid, so them find it hard for serve and protect. And all we get from the government is highlight bills and robust taxes. And them still a pressure the youth to run it hard on the road with them robot taxes. But there ain't no giving in. Go run your taxi, you. Hey, I said the tough gets going. Ba 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 yeah. Nah give up. I said there ain't no giving in. No. Rastafari guide I and I. Whoa whoa. I said my people, we've been facing struggles for so long. Jah people, please me I beg you, please could you hold on? I know the system have you down and you feel pressed down like 50 feet. At the back of you the victory sweet. Me say me still not give up, me just kiss me teeth, not give up. I said there ain't no giving in. Hey, how when the going get tough, I said the tough gets going.